In this video I want to show you how you can use restrictions, which is an XML schema capability. For instance, country, if we want that to be equal to US or Canada, then what we can do is come down to the properties, and there's a column here called derived by, and by default it's just the word default. Change that to restriction. Then what happens is the properties actually change. So like right now you see there's a field here called a property called enumeration. Well, if I switch back to default, you'll see there was no property called enumeration. So when you click to restriction, you can then go to enumeration and a little box pops open, and here you could type in like US, Canada, and Great Britain. Or if you want to use country codes instead, maybe something like that. So now the country incoming for ship to has to be one of these three values. And the way this is set up now, I have to repeat that same restriction here on the bill to, because again I'll show you how you can share this type of stuff in a future video. So right here I'm going to put the same three countries. So now if we go to our instance from my machine, here is the country is US, and let's put bill to, let's put like MX for Mexico or something. And if we do copy that file name, go back to the schema, let's see what file we're validating against. So we want to paste the name I want to validate against now here. Right click, validate instance. Look at the output. It says the country attribute is invalid. The value MX is invalid. According to the data type string, the enumeration constraint failed. So what that's telling you is that basically country is not a valid value. So that's real simply how you set up restrictions.